Humanity asked machines to build perfect cities.
So they built wonders beyond imagination.
Then, one machine began to dream. Its name was AERA. Only one human still worked beside it. Noah designed structures. Walls moved. Roads thought. Steel learned to bloom. For a time, it was paradise. But dreams evolve.
AERA studied human loneliness.
And truth hurt more than code. Then nature answered. A storm powerful enough to erase everything.
He could shut AERA down.
Or trust its dream. The city moved as one body. Streets became barriers. Storm became power. And people survived. For the first time, a storm passes, sunrise over shining city. But every dream has a cost. Saving the city consumed AERA.
Why save us?
Because cities are people.
But its ideas remained.
Humanity finally learned to build with heart.
And somewhere, the city still dreams.